How to subscribe to Amazon Prime. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime membership. So first of all, just search for Amazon Prime on your web browser, and after that just click on sign in to join Prime on the home screen, and after that just enter your mobile number or your email address and then click on continue and just enter your password right here. So there are different plans that you can choose from, so just click on view all plans. So there are two versions of the Prime membership. One is mobile edition and one is for your PC or your other devices. So there are different options. Firstly, that you can try free membership for 30 days in both the plans. So you can go ahead and choose the plan according to your wish and make the payment written over here and just enter your details, and there you will be able to subscribe to the Amazon Prime membership. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.